Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transform a single text into a paragraph and vice versa. First, I type text in single lines. Follow me. I change its case to the title. Select these, and go to the Edit menu, then click on Copy or press Ctrl+C. Now select the Type tool and create a text box. And paste this text with the Ctrl+V command. Add spaces. The other process is, select the Type tool, click, and press Ctrl+V. Add spaces. And that's it. Now I will show you how to split text. For this, select the paragraph text. Go to the Object menu and click on Flatten Transparency. Keep the default settings and hit OK. Right-click on it and choose Ungroup. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.